Welcome to 2-Minute Tuesdays and another Quick Take with Cate. Today's episode is called Since, the same as because, acts if. These three words, as, since, because, can be trouble. Many people use them interchangeably to show cause, unaware of the ambiguity that can result. As is the biggest troublemaker of all. Take this sentence for example. Bilbo Baggins hid the ring as someone knocked on the door. Did Bilbo hide the ring while someone was knocking on the door, or did he hide the ring because someone was knocking on the door? What about the second sentence? As Gandalf raised his staff with a menacing glare, Frodo and Sam scampered across the crumbling bridge. Did Frodo and Sam scamper across the bridge because Gandalf meant business, or did they scamper while Gandalf raised his staff, presumably at the fire-breathing demon? The word since is likewise trouble. Since they won the battle, Frodo and Sam have been celebrating with a pitcher of beer. So does that mean from the time they won the battle 2 weeks ago Saturday, they've been drinking? Or does this mean they've been drinking because they won the battle? How about the second sentence? Pippin's stomach rumbled all the more since Aragorn decreed no second breakfast. Did Pippin's stomach rumble more from the time Aragorn announced the news? After all, hobbits must have 6 meals a day. Or did Pippin's stomach rumble more because he would get no second breakfast? Or maybe it was both. Although we can often figure out the correct meaning from the context, if there's any chance of ambiguity, stick to because. One word to rule them all. For the rest of the story, go to cateturyan.com/quicktakes and tune back in next Tuesday for another Quick Take with Cate.